Hello there, dear clients. Welcome to Zoopup. Let us guide you on how to post your project. But first, what exactly is a project? It's basically any work that you need to get done, be it designing a website, writing content, influencer marketing, and so on. So, starting off, first, open your client dashboard. Click on plus add new project in the top right corner. Another screen titled project will open up. Give a suitable title, keep it direct and within 10 to 15 words. Next, provide a detailed description. You must be comprehensive here. Explain all the important details. Give a basic outline of the project, the required work, objectives, scope, timeline, your expectations, any technical or quality requirements, deliverables, references, revision terms, project contract, required skills and experience, and everything you deem important. Then select the respective sector like website and software or writing and content, and category like app development, article writing or email marketing, etc. Now choose the skills necessary. Next, upload any required documents like contracts or NDAs. This field is optional. Then choose whether to post a project or set up a contest. In a project, you invite multiple CVs and finalize a freelancer who will do your work. Meanwhile, in a contest, you invite work from multiple freelancers and buy the one that satisfies you. Choose as per your requirements. Now, state your estimated budget. Lastly, choose whether you want a rising freelancer or an experienced one. Now, post your project. And that's it. Within hours, you will receive bids from our best freelancers. You can shortlist and interview them. Choose your fit and get started. Join Zoopup and take your business to greater heights. Zoopup, we make the perfect even better.